here it is, all-weather canopy cover. We patented it the other day and it's now been produced and we're now ready to chuck it on. This cover here will protect you from everything, so perfect for outdoor all year round, and then everything below that, so even in the hangar, in the dirt and dust. So let's chuck it on, see what happens.
And here we have the adjustable buckle. These are the ones that run under the belly. You have the tri-slide, which slides simply to take up the slack. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of slack, but that would allow you to adjust the buckle, and you simply pull it back towards yourself, pull the webbing, and that takes the slack up. This just means it won't flap in the wind. If you were to find that the straps were flapping a little bit under the bottom of the aircraft, what you could do is just simply put a twist in it and reattach it. That way it won't flap against the aircraft.
This is directly under the spinner, so the cover comes neatly round. It actually tucks just in behind the spinner as well, so that really stops any wildlife getting into the intakes. This is the central split. This allows you to open it up, get the cover off, and reposition it underneath, and the two securing buckles. Just make sure it's just that final bit of security. We then have our night glow, and the night glow is the reflective straps. Perfect for at night for passing traffic. That would just prevent, hopefully, anyone missing the aircraft, especially on unlit airfields, so that would just make a big difference. So we have a number of pockets over the cover. This one here is for the handle, which is just at the trailing edge of the wing. We do this so that the shape of the cover is not affected, because if the cover was to come up over the handle, it would leave us with a mess all over the place. So what we tend to do is we put a handle on, and we put a handle cover over it. You can still get to the handle, so it still serves as a good purpose for jumping up on the wing. If we do that, you'll see another box. This one here is over a twin Garmin aerial, so again, keeping the cover nice and flat over the top of the fuselage, and not putting any load on top of the fittings either. This one here is the door latch. Again, we do that just so that it's not putting any load on the cover, and over the years it won't push through. The main adjustable one is this one here, which is for the aerial. Now what this does is it allows the aerial to be at any position while you're setting the cover into place. Once the cover is into place, you just simply Velcro shut. It gives a nice tight seal around the aerial and keeps it watertight. That's it, there's not much more really. Head back to the factory, carry on building the rest of the covers.
Thanks for watching this video. Give us a follow for more great content and covers in the future.